What if one platform could bring together the most powerful AI models and replace multiple subscriptions? That is exactly what Loova AI is trying to do. Hello and welcome back to the channel. With so many AI tools available in the market today, the last thing that we want to do is to pay separately for each model. That's why platforms that bring together multiple AI tools are becoming really useful. One such tool is Loova AI. It's a multi-tool AI platform designed to simplify both creative and technical workflows. It's a creative hub for AI images, avatars, motion graphics, character swap, and more. So in this video, let's break down and find out how Loova AI can be useful for architects and designers in their visualization workflow. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. Head over to the link in the description to access Loova AI. On the homepage, we are greeted with all the tools that are available on this platform, and on the left side, these tools are neatly categorized. Let's begin with the first tool, which is Image to Image. This is where we can use an image as a reference and create variations from the same. We can choose the AI model from this option, and Loova AI comes with an extensive set of AI models to choose from. We have almost all the major AI tools, ranging from Kling AI, Seedream, Flux Context, and Nano Banana. On the next tab, we'll have to upload an image, and to begin with, I'm using this reference image, which is a simple sketch of an exterior. It's not too detailed, and let's see what the AI can come up with. As for the prompt, I've wrote down a detailed list of all the elements that I want to include. For a detailed and realistic output, we'll have to mention specific things that we want in the image. The prompt is added on the screen for your reference. We then have the aspect ratio option, and we can choose between different ratios for the output. Choosing different AI models will give you multiple settings which are relevant to that specific model. In this case, let's go with Google Nano Banana Pro. Choose a resolution, output ratio, the number of images, and click Generate. The platform takes a few seconds depending on the complexity of your output, and we have the results. These are quite stunning and the realism is on point. We have 4 different outputs, and the prompts have been exactly reflected in these outputs. Adding these kind of textures and imperfections improves the realism of the image. And with Loova AI, it's extremely easy to choose between multiple models and test the results. So Loova AI brings together multiple AI models under one single unified tool, so you can try all of them and experiment and see which works best for you without having to pay separately for each subscription. This makes it extremely easy to try and compare which results works the best. We can follow the same workflow for rendering 3D models as well. Here's an example of a 3D model exterior. We can adjust the style as we prefer. In this case, I'm using a style with outlines. Let's export this view as an image and jump back into Loova AI. Upload the image in this tab. As for the prompt, I once again made a detailed paragraph that describes the building, materials, textures, different elements in the scene, and the atmosphere. Choose an AI model that you prefer, set the resolution. The aspect ratio here is an adaptive. Choose the number of outputs and click Generate. We now have some stunning and realistic outputs of our screenshot, and all the 4 outputs are equally good. It has really incorporated the vibe of the location by filling in the atmosphere, landscape, and environment around the building. Let's pick this image and use it for the next workflow. The image to image feature opens up great possibilities for architects and interior designers, whether you're ideating with hand sketches, rendering 3D screenshots, or transforming architectural drawings into polished visuals. It's a flexible playground for testing ideas quickly and ideating faster. We now have the image to video tool in Loova AI, and here are some of the videos that we created previously. Using the tool is extremely easy, and it works the same way like the previous tool that we just saw. Once again, Loova AI comes with multiple AI models and with different versions of the same model. For example, for the Kling model, we can choose between Kling 01, Kling 2.6, Kling 2.5 Turbo, and so on. This kind of makes Loova AI a one-stop solution, giving us multiple options to choose from and experiment with just one single subscription. Let's choose Kling 01 and upload the render that we previously created. In this scenario, the prompt is going to be extremely simple. Let's just describe the camera movement, where the camera pans in straight slowly and the cars move around the frame. I'm choosing a 1080 pixel and a 5-second duration for the video. This creates a cinematic video of a render. The camera movement is smooth and steady, and all the elements are precisely the same. The image to video tool in Loova AI comes back with multiple AI models, which gives us a lot of flexibility on how we approach visual storytelling. Instead of getting locked with one single tool or engine, you can try and experiment with multiple models to create smooth and cinematic walkthroughs all inside one tool. Creating architectural walkthroughs is no easy task. It takes many hours to model, render, and create videos, but once we create a video, it becomes extremely difficult to add more elements into the frame. This is where Loova's AI video editor becomes a game changer. Choose the edit video option, and this opens our video in the AI video editor too. We have two different AI models to use here, which is Kling O1 and Grok Imagine. Let's choose Kling O1, and down below we have the option to upload images to add into the video. In this case, I'm adding 4 different images, one with a vintage street lamp, a green post box, a woman walking, and some flowers to be added in the foreground. We are simply going to describe the same in natural language for the prompt. We can choose the resolution for the output, and we have the option to add audio. Click generate, and within a few seconds, we can see that all the 4 elements that we added are seamlessly integrated into the video. It's quite surprising to see the amount of control we can have on the final outputs with such powerful tools inside Loova AI. Instead of going back to square one, we have the flexibility to add more elements into the frame without redoing the entire process. For architects and designers, this means faster revision, smoother client approvals, and the freedom to experiment more, saving both time and effort and keeping the momentum going. Inside the Loova tools, we can find the AI video enhancer. Just upload the video that we just created into this tab right here. We can choose the resolution for the output, and this will ultimately affect the number of credits that we have. Choose an FPS and click generate to create the output. Once we have the output, we can immediately notice how crisp all the elements look in the video. There's another powerful tool within Loova AI called the AI Angle Changer. I tried this with an interior image and the output was stunning. Here's the image input, which is a straight perspective view, and similar to the previous tools that we saw, we just have to choose a model, upload the character, and describe the angle that we want to generate. I created this high angle view as well as this view right here, and we can see how the platform has seamlessly stretched a square image into a horizontal image. I also came across this tool right here called the AI Poster Generator. This actually creates some powerful architectural posters, and all we have to do is to just describe the prompt. In case I'm describing a Bauhaus poster featuring the architectural school, and we can choose multiple styles in the inspiration. Adjust between settings, the resolution, and the aspect ratio. Click generate, and we have the results. This can be a quick way to create multiple posters to be used for social media, websites, or even print them to add to your background. This platform offers a quick solution to those blurry images. Choose the AI Image Upscaler and upload your image in this tab. We can choose between 2K and 4K resolution for the output. Click generate, and the platform upscales all the smaller details in the image into a crisp output. This is especially useful in interior images where all the textures and grains clearly stand out, enhancing the total vibe of the space. Just like adding elements into a video using images, this can also be possible using text prompts within the AI Video Object Remover. This tool adds or removes element using just text. Let's upload this walkthrough video that we previously generated. I'm typing in a prompt to remove the green post box in the video. Choose a resolution and click generate, and the platform seamlessly removes the specific element in the video without altering any other detail in the frame. This can be an extremely useful tool to make quick changes and iterations in walkthrough videos as well as real estate advertisements. The image extender can come in really handy when we want to share our project images on social media without getting cropped or adding white borders. In this case, let's upload a square image, choose a resolution, and the aspect ratio can be 9:16. Choose a number of outputs and click generate, and the platform seamlessly creates a 9:16 image without altering the original architectural design. It even understands the environment and creates these small kind of details to enhance the overall vibe. There are so many more amazing tools within Loova AI that can be used for products, marketing, or ads. The link to access this platform is in the description, so make sure to check that out. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you found the most interesting. We hope you found this video to be helpful. And if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.